Hi, I'm shooting this because I lost 42 minutes of some really good footage. What I did is I had this over on what I called my Chinesium surface plate. You know, the finest ironwood from the, right? Okay. Got this zeroed out on the steel plate the rotary table mounts to. You see, none of these want to line up with any of these except this one is close. 3-inch Weber. It's not a gauge block anymore. This set was on the shop floor for too many years before the guy who had them retired. And when I got to the yard sale, okay, now 12.9 degrees. As I recall, it's, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Sneak up slowly on 0. Come on. You can do it. Come on, baby. There we are. 0.00. This plate of steel and this piece touchy, isn't it? I think this is Micromark said, hey, iGaging, put our name on some of your digital levels. I think that's what that is. Because iGaging is selling this one. The equivalent is the same size and everything. It's just at a different faceplate. And now they have, what was it, Generation 4 with the data port and little sing Yankee Doodle. Pretty. I've got this one. It is sensitive. Okay, now 42 minutes. Then I got into some really erudite speechification. I mean, I had figured it at 14.5 degrees, 3/4 16 TPI, an inch divided by 16, right? 22.5 degrees for 1/16 lead. Okay, but that's 22.5 degrees, right? And I'm 14.5 off, and okay. And finally I came up with this. Okay. I know this dimension is 750 thousandths of an inch. I have arbitrarily chose 14 degrees 30 minutes, or 14.5 degrees. Okay? That's my angle. Now, I know... Where are you? There you is. I know in here, see, in here, in the trig tables, do I dare open it and show? Yeah, why not? Okay. No, that's 6 degrees. Here we are. Uh-oh. What did I just lose? Oh no, now I'll never find my way home again. Oh yeah, that was for something else. Don't even think about that, okay? That was something completely different. Like Monty Python said, now for something completely different. Does that help? No, that's washing it out. Boing. Drop the phone. That don't help either. Here we go. Trust me, I'm on 14.5 damn degrees. Oh, across that line, one of them, right? One of them babies. Let me set this down. There's a piece of paper. Okay. One of those columns, I forget whether it's the secant, cosecant, I had a stroke, and they think I had a stroke in 2014. I mean, that was the only way they could explain the way I... In fact, I woke up with a massive headache and my left arm wouldn't move. Oh yeah, well we're... Man, almost did an angiogram on the brain. But since I was still talking and most of my parts all moved, oh well, transient ischemic in the cerebrum. Let me see. Me here. Yeah, I'm pointing at me. Me, yeah, this guy. Anyway, this guy I'm pointing at here right now is, a heart patient. I thought I would break my leg. Boom. They put me in the cardiology wing. Before I could have any surgery, they gotta talk to my cardiologist. No, seriously. They don't get my cardiologist's permission. No one touches me with a knife. She ain't going to let some other ologist, from some other discipline cack her patient. No. Anyway, I was on this. It was erudite. I mean, that lazy machinist would have been proud of my erudition and showing them. Then there's, the people that, oh man, that guy's, what's he been smoking? Nothing. Stopped smoking 2005 after massive myocardial infarction, emergency 5-way bypass, remove a whole big hunk of the right lung, because, well, it popped during the surgery. Pause. Excise hunk of lung. Not bleeding no more. Okay, go back to the bypassing. I mean, but I lost the footage of this. Now, I'm going to see if I can capture this footage I'm doing right now. Some really, really good footage.
What I did was I had this over on what I call my Chinesium surface plate. The finest ironwood from them, right? Okay, got this zeroed up.
I wish I had a hamster here right now. Let's go the other way.
You can do it.
Come on, baby. Spock! Oh, timing was just that far off.
I think this is micro marks that, hey, I need to put in and send me your levels. I think that's what that